Yes, we are welcome to another lecture. As you can see, a form, a form. How to create a form. How to create a form using HTML. As you can see, what is here? A form action. Form action, admission form, admission form. You create a form action before the form can be created. For your form, you're using the label and the input types. Label, from the word label, it will put what you want to the person to feel. It will help the person to know what you want the person to feel. Look at the surname there. Look at the surname there. As you can see, it will appear here when you open your web page. Surname. The box, inside the box, what you have inside the box is placeholder. Placeholder, that's what will be holding the space inside the box for you. You can choose to use it, and you can choose not to use it. So label, that's what the label is for. Label. And the input type, because we are using alphabet. Input type, your surname as alphabet, so you use text. You use text. ID, surname, name, surname. Likewise for other names too. Your other name, your two other names. Like mine is, my surname is Fasheyide. I'll put Fasheyide there. The two other names. You want the person to put the two other names. This will serve as the label. That one that comes outside there is what you put inside the label. But what you put inside the box is what is inside the placeholder. What is inside the placeholders. If I change this one now to, let me say, two other names. If I save it and go and look at it here, you see that it has changed. Two other names. Two other names. Now for your email, label for is email address. Label is email address. Input type is email. Input type is email. You can see what I put inside the placeholder. Active email address. The password. The password is, the input type is password. For the password, and for the confirmed password, the input type is also password. Choose your sex. I use radio. Input type is radio here. Radio. I use radio. It will help you to choose whether male or female. Male or female. You can also use the checkbox to tell the person to choose. The radio will only allow you to choose one of what you have radioed, but the checkbox allows you to choose as many as possible. Like what I have up here, this is a checkbox for mathematics. So I can go, these ones are checkboxes. This is a checkbox, as the input type checkbox. So I can choose as many as possible. But in the radio, you can only choose one of those things you have radioed. Only choose one of those things that you have radioed. In the next class, we will check. We are going to do how to use. We want to see how to design our password to be able to fit into those conditions that are usually given in passwords. You can input as many things into your form depending on what you want. As many things as you want into your form depending on what you want. You can put state of origin, you can put local government of origin, you can put local state of origin, you can put local government of origin. I mean, like the state of origin now, you need to do it in form of the label form.
using your select tag and your option value to put in all the states so that the person can fit in, and the person can click his own state in a scroll down form. Using a scroll down form, I also decide to use the radio form, the radio input type for your for the state of origin. You can decide to put in university, you can decide to put in polytechnic, I mean, and to the person to choose his or her polytechnic using radio or using the scroll down form. Now let me see your work on this. And in the next class we are going to learn design our password, how to design our password to fit into those conditions. Thank you.